We're in. We need to get.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to LD Vlogs. We're recording now. We just got something big. So we just, what did we get again?
We're in the promotion zone in NItro. Let's go.
Yeah, look at it. Peaks. So for team, we're in the tournament, and look where we are. We were in the elimination zone in 12th. Look at where we are right now.
And we're gonna just grind.
Yeah, we just grind. Okay. No, wait. Should we join friend race? I'm gonna invite you. And everyone. How are you guys?
Wait, you know all of them are going to friend us.
So? Not like they're gonna find us. Like the YouTuber? The people watching the YouTube. If we don't show our house number and don't tell
They
what
don't have
town.
a good name.
No, they're gonna friend us on NItro. Like we're gonna be spammed with friend requests.
Why?
If they watch our videos, then they'll figure out our names and they can spam us.
Oh.
Yeah, called as
Last video we tried to make a NItro type video, but it didn't work because we accidentally showed Okita's email.
and put on call. Who the hell is calling? I'm sorry. I suck.
Bro, 48.
I got 43, bro. 46.
48.
0.9 seconds.
Huh?
Samantha!
Huh?
Samantha!
Samantha cooked
Don't
us.
start. I'm still typing.
No.
Let that make it drop.
We probably won't be copyrighted because of how bad your singing voice is. Okay.
I'm gonna start looking.
My glasses on. I'm out the door. I'm OP dirty.
He logged me out. I suck.
You still got first.
I got 50.
I
Dog
got
sucks.
54.
Dog sucks.
We don't talk really much when we race.
Dog
We just
sucks.
Yeah,
Dog
so guys,
sucks.
sorry that we're not getting that much content because we're not talking that much when we race because it messes us up. really
Yeah.
badly.
We don't want to mess up. Whoever Bullwinkle is.
And we're gonna do a lot of games this video. It might be like a 20-minute video.
Ooh, Decky loves to a bite.
Shut up, Quinn. Bird. Bro, it's
Samantha again!
guys, it's 7:32 in the morning. That's why we're choking.
I kind of cooked. I got 64. Oh, Decky.
I got 53. You're getting 40.
Wait, hold up.
You might go to
Bird's
30.
catching
I
up
got
to
42.
Decky.
I got
Bird?
42. I sold, guys. It's not my fault.
Let's go, Bird.
No, I didn't use a sticker that race. Now it won't be satisfying and I can't get all three at one time.
Yeah, I haven't done it for the past like 4 races on accident. Wait, why wouldn't you use a sticker? Bullwinkles? Bullwinkles. With
Is it about the atmosphere?
yeah,
Pretty sure all this stuff.
streams toward the pole.
It's false.
Saying, bro, no, it isn't.
52. Oh, I keep on selling. This kid.
How do Keitha beat me?
I did.
How?
Wait. Almost finished.
How do you guys? Why are you guys selling so much? Quinn getting like 20. Quinn's getting 29.
Who the hell is Quinn?
A bird.
Guys, I got 64 last race. It's kind of cooked.
Wait, no, my sticker.
Should we have egg on set soon?
Never.
We always talk about egg, and they probably want to see it.
We'll get 100 subs. We'll bring egg in.
Yeah, if we get 100 subs, we'll bring egg in.
Wait, guys. Some random Toad CR just joined us.
I know. I invited him because why not?
Who is he?
I don't know. Bullwinkle?
Bullwinkle. Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to see what his name is.
Bro, I sold.
This kid's kind of...
Bullwinkle is crazy. He got
Yeah.
62 last time, now he got 63. He's good.
Yeah, this
He's,
Guys,
he got my top speed. He's my top speed.
Mine is 71.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. I think it's Imagine typing your text on NItro 10.
Yeah.
I have.
We are right now. It's about
This
typing.
is about typing. Where I beat Bullwinkle.
No chance, Decky.
So 47. I keep on getting in the 40s. How?
Wait, we just got 200 XP from racing with all 4 friends.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Thank you, Bullwinkle. Shout
I'm
out
pretty
to
sure it's
Bullwinkle if
Bim-
he's watching.
I'm pretty sure it's Bimples.
Bro.
Shout out to Bullwinkle.
Imagine Bullwinkle is watching us. Botching us.
Well, we haven't posted it yet. This is a pre-recording, by the way. Bro. Base
You suck. I got 58.
No! I almost beat you!
Duck sucks. Duck sucks. Duck sucks.
Ducky sucks. Bird sucks. Duck sucks.
It's 7. Yeah, I suck.
It's 7:30.
I sucked so bad.
Wait, how Bullwinkle beat me? He went 54. I went 58.
Just
Bull
finished.
crap.
How does that work? He's just him, isn't he? Yeah,
Bullwinkle's him.
I know.
Bullwinkle's bullcrap.
Hey, do we have a swear filter?
No.
Not a swear either.
Oh, there is no clapping board.
I was kind of cooking. I had 65.
Same. At the beginning I was going
I'm
68.
selling
Then
it.
I got 59, which is decent.
I'm in the 40s, bro.
Bullwinkle 60. Bullwinkle's cracked.
Yeah, he's cracked.
How did I beat him? I got 59. He got 60.
How was my
Probably
average?
Shout out to
How was my average
Bullwinkle
higher
for
than
giving
his?
us extra
This is
XP.
54 minus 55. Bro's been hitting 60s. Physically and mentally. How?
Where's Bullwinkle?
Bullwinkle, join us.
No.
Please, Bullwinkle.
No.
Bullwinkle.
Wait, I'm gonna invite him. I'm gonna invite him.
Bullwinkle.
Please, Bullwinkle. Please.
Please, Bullwinkle.
We need you.
Bullwinkle.
Yes!
Bullwinkle.
Bullwinkle.
He's just changing.
Yeah, he's just changing.
Guys, and the fact that Bullwinkle doesn't even know who we are.
He knows I'm the team captain.
Kita, you got first?
Yeah.
You beat Bullwinkle.
Somehow. Bullwinkle got 52.
Riker.
somehow.
You got 50?
That's trash.
Duck. My bad. Guys,
Wait, which
who's
one
Riker
is
and
Riker
Quinn? Why do
again?
we keep on saying that?
Which one's Riker and which one's Quinn?
No. That's Duck and that's... Wait. Who is Riker and Quinn? Is Bullwinkle Riker?
Oh, we keep, guys, we're so sorry. That's our brother and sister.
Our identical twins.
No, Quinn.
But
That's
they're
our
my
brother and
school.
sister. No, how do you have... I've got cooking.
I feel like I have a big pile of vomit this morning.
Oh, Keith is about to leave me. He didn't know. Bullwinkle.
Bro, I got 43.
Bullwinkle's still be getting 59.
How
is this kid's
crazy?
Bullwinkle, if you ever watch your videos, you are crap.
Please.
And like,
What if that's like our mom's on a separate account?
No, he or she has
Bullwinkle is really crap for like.
and she has nitro gold.
She?
She or
I
him.
know who she is. Yes, I do. Your mom.
Dang it, I beat Riker somehow.
Bullwinkle's crap.
He got 66.
No, I said Bullwinkle. Yeah.
Duh.
You said Bullwinkle. We didn't even say Riker or Quinn.
Or big
I got 8,738 XP.
How is Bullwinkle's average 55? This kid hits 60s every time.
He's good. He's
What's his stop speed? Why do you stop speed?
107.
Bro!
This morning I've been grinding more than
That's his
bird.
parents.
I mean, duck.
What if he is a parent?
There's no season races.
Oh no, help.
Bullwinkle, let me.
And relax.
Bullwinkle, we're gonna call you Bull. If you ever watch this video, write in the chat.
Bro, 40. No, not the chat. It's called the comment.
Bullwinkle, we're gonna call you Bull. If you ever watch this video, in the comments, spam Bullwinkle 10 times.
No, put bull emojis.
Yeah, put bull emojis and Bullwinkle and take a screenshot of your card. Send it in
put
comments.
bull out. Put the winking emoji and the bull emoji.
Yeah,
Just a
put,
bunch of times.
yeah,
And then just LE at the end.
yeah,
Put a bull, a wink, and then LE in the comments.
yes.
We're gonna call you Bull.
You're aware how weird that sounds, right?
Talking about egg.
Yeah, he's talking about eggs. Cold snap, what is that?
Bro, I'm about infant 26. Well, keep on forgetting to use stickers.
Bullwinkle guys,
Guys.
105.
No, he probably just left, to be honest. He probably fucking hates us.
No, you might be friends.
I invited him.
Bullwinkle, Bullwinkle,
Bullwinkle, Bullwinkle, Bullwinkle.
Bull, 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 bull.
Bull is goated.
Bull is goated.
Bull is goated. Bull is goated. Bull is goated. Bull is goated. Bull is goated.
excited.
Bullish, bullish,
He's not coming back, guys.
Bullish. Bullish.
He's looking at Nitro type teams.
Wait, he left.
No, he didn't leave. No, don't be looking at that. Oh my god.
Wait, actually,
He's still
Yeah,
on.
he's looking at Nitro type teams this instant.
how do you know?
Because I can see looking at teams, Nitro type.
Wait, you probably should look at the league teams.
Oh, facts. See how good we are.
Oh my gosh, Bullwinkle's cracked. 107 top speed.
Guys, we're ninth. We're ninth. We moved up. Oh, 550,000
Guys, I just wanna change
till the next
my-
race.
I'm just gonna change my
60,000 till we're in seventh.
All wear the same car. Just
Do
car.
the one that me and Okita are wearing.
No,
good.
I don't have it.
Bro, you don't have that? That car's goated.
whether he's
It's the main car of the...
No, Bullwinkle.
This is the main car of the channel. for some
Bullwinkle,
reason. We just randomly
please,
chose it.
Bullwinkle.
Does
Bullwinkle's
everyone
a-
have
Sorry.
the Gotham Guardians?
Yeah,
Sorry.
Gotham Guardian.
Yeah, we're that.
It wasn't that like 8 million?
Yeah, that was kind of.
I don't have the Gotham thing, whatever.
That's not it. Oh wait, no, you do have it. It's from the season.
I don't know, bro.
No, you just need to log on. It's legendary. It's not. It's the
I am physically going to turn
Gotham
myself
Guardian.
into Riker.
This one.
Mean bird.
What the? You don't have the Gotham Guardian or the Gotham? Oh damn.
I'm bad. What if we just buy a new car from the shop
The
and
Blitz MP427? There's no new cars in the shop that I don't have. I have every car.
you have this car?
I got it a while ago. I got it when it was
Guys,
first
I
made.
put on my most dripping car.
You have that?
Yep.
I'm done with that team.
Corsa Vengeance.
Invite me.
No, the Mr. Beast car. The
Mr.
Mr.
Beast
Beast
car,
car.
yeah,
Mr. Beast car, guys.
It's blue. Rarity.
There's a
Put it on.
Mr. Beast car.
Well, we like to call it that.
It's pink.
Oh, when I said type of M, because it's the Corsa, whatever that is. Trails. What should a trail be? Wind? Wait, you guys have windy?
No, I'm doing toxic fumes.
No, guys, you guys should be all the same things.
Guys, I'm toxic fumes.
I can see
Toxic
how you think
fumes?
that's
Bet.
Mr. Beast.
I don't have toxic fumes.
Alright,
Wait,
so,
These? You don't have them?
No,
Do chains? Do you guys have chains?
no.
It might be called the whip or something.
Car parts?
Car parts? Bet.
no hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
I don't have hot dogs.
How do you not have hot dogs?
Car parts. Do car parts.
Just do car parts.
Nitros.
What does
And
this
Candy cane rocket.
what
I
does-
don't have that.
What is
Big
Sir
bamboo.
Gifts a lot.
Nope.
Wait, what even is the big bamboo?
Guys, Sir Gifts a lot.
That's sick. Sir Gifts a lot? Yeah, bet. That was from last.
I don't have it.
car parts
I don't
look
have it.
like?
Oh, you have it. No. Okay. Do this season. This one.
I have too many
Flag
trails.
Force, guys. Flag Force.
Name tag?
It's green. Right there.
Name tag?
Xmas tree.
Xmas tree. So we can match with blue.
Wait, you don't have Nitro Gold.
Yeah, I know.
See, doesn't matter.
What
Okay.
Nitro?
Okay, I'll invite everybody.
What
Wait, no,
Nitro?
I'm gonna.
Wait,
Okay.
what Nitro?
Oh, didn't we say this video would be 20 minutes long?
Oh, that's fine.
We have 1 minute left.
It's fine.
No,
Wait,
we'll make it
the
30
nitro
or
was
something.
like.
Well, no, we need to prepare for the next video that's coming up. So I think we'll end it after this race.
Yeah, after this race, we're gonna end this video because we have to get ready for the next video.
I hope you guys liked it. But by the way, these guys are gonna be so confused that we race with.
Bro, Decky, look at our cars.
Riker!
I couldn't find half of them. I had like
Bro.
30,000 trails. It was so hard.
Quinn, do you have the same cars then? Okay, Quinn has the same stuff as us.
Except the name
Who the
tag.
hell is Quinn?
Oh, my bad.
No.
Imagine
Where's Bullwinkle?
Bullwinkle didn't join. What's that?
let me tell you.
Please, beat record. I mean, duck. Let's go for it.
Okay.
Weird.
I'm good.
You still beat Quinn. I mean, bird.
Okay,
well,
guys. Bye. See you in the next
We're
one.
gonna post this one and then start a next video.
Yeah.
Bye.
So bye.